Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your iCloud activation lock. In order to do this, it's quite easy and I'm going to run you through the steps. The best part is that you don't need an email and you also don't need access to your password. So let's begin. In order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to open Safari and you're going to type in how to remove activation lock. And you want to make sure to click on the first one from Apple support and do make sure that it is from the actual Apple support website. Now they will give you three options on how to remove your activation lock. However, you're going to need your Apple ID and you just straight up need access to your Apple ID. And of course we don't have that. So if we don't have that, you're simply going to scroll down till you find this right here. Start an activation lock support request. Click on it. And it will bring you to the next screen just like this. We can see that if you need additional information or additional support with the activation lock, then we are right now on the right page and it'll go give you guys some more information. And of course you can also reset your activation lock by using your Apple ID. However, we don't have access to it, of course. So in order to remove your activation lock, simply click on get started just like this. And we can see that we are right now filing and request additional support for unlocking your device. Do note that you need to give Apple some information about yourself. So if you have stolen this phone that you're trying to unlock, or you have got this phone through some sketchy ways, then I would not recommend doing this. Only if you have bought the phone from, for example, Facebook Marketplace and it's still locked, then you can use this method, because you need to actually prove that you bought the phone. So you need to also have a proof of receipt, of course. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on I agree to the terms and Apple policy and click on continue. Now what we're needing to do is we need to, of course, enter our email, and this can be any email you want, and you need to enter the serial number, IME and MEID for our iPhone. Of course, you're probably thinking, how can I get my serial number and IMEI when I can't get into the phone? Well, it's quite easy. If you've actually bought the phone, you can simply see it on the back of the box. So make sure you have the box, because at the back of the box, you will actually see your serial number, IMEI and MEID. Then what you need to do is you need to fill out the description and you're going to simply click on continue, and that's literally all you need to do. Then you will be run through small actions. You need to do some actions, some tasks, some questions they have for you to prove that it's legit. You need to send them your ID, you need to send Apple your proof of receipt, and then they will unlock your phone again. So yeah, that's how you can remove your iCloud activation lock. Unfortunately, I can't run you through all those tasks because I simply don't have a phone that is currently having an activation lock. However, trust me, I've seen some videos on it. It's really freaking easy to do once you have filled out your email and your serial number. So that's how you can remove your iCloud activation lock. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.